Hello, I'm here today to talk to you about whether or not reading Harry Potter can change your behavior. For those of you who don't know, Harry Potter is the story of a young wizard who's born to wizard parents that are soon after killed, and he has become an orphan. He is raised by his aunt and uncle who constantly make him feel unworthy, unwanted, and unloved his entire childhood. It isn't until he becomes of age to go to wizarding school that the wizarding community reveals to him that he is in fact a wizard. Harry Potter goes to wizarding school and spends the rest of his years fighting evil and aligning with those who are minorities. I chose this topic because as a young child, I myself read the Harry Potter series. It is the first series that ever really engaged me and gave me my love for fiction novels. Until then, I had no interest in reading. And I do know for a fact that reading does change your outlook and your perspective on others because it had that effect on me. Reading alone has been known to have many benefits. One of those including reducing stress and forming a way to escape the situation or scenarios that you're facing in your own life and put yourself in the shoes of another person. A 2014 study found that kids who have read Harry Potter are more likely to have reduced prejudices towards minority groups and display greater levels of empathy. The research was led by Loris Vazzali in Italy, and it showed that children who read the stories were able to improve their attitude towards immigrants and refugees. They were able to put themselves in another's shoes better than those who hadn't read the stories yet. Another one of his studies linked the reading of the books with more compassion towards others, giving them an overall more empathetic outlook on life. In conclusion, although there are many things that influence a child's personality, research suggests that reading novels as a child allows us to adopt perspectives we might not have been faced with and can positively impact personality development and social skills.